Hey everyone, Dimitri's here, and it's minus 27 degrees. I'm out here to make a cup of coffee. I know it's kind of crazy, and I want to show you guys, I have right here in my hands, probably not going to believe it, one of the most powerful elements in the whole entire planet. So stick around, I'll show you what it is. There's a helicopter coming in this weather. That could be one thing. Somebody got in trouble in the mountains hiking. Don't know if you guys can hear that. It's coming somewhere right there. Where are you? Oh yeah, right there. There's weather, helicopter coming around. That's bad news, guys. Could be a guy like me, you know, who likes to go in the wild and test your limits. Here we go, right there. And then again, no regrets. That's why the man need to keep sharp coming over here and make sure when the shit hits the fan, you know what to do. have one of these. It's really cold, minus 27. I believe right now it's close to minus 30 with the wind chill. When you're here, you want to chop your food, your wood very fast. You need a good guy like this. I bought it local here in Calgary, and amazing axe. I have for about 3 years, and it's not even a crack, and I abuse this guy a lot. This part of it over here is very sharp still. The steel itself is strong, never cracked on me or nothing like that. I always keep it nice and sharp. Yeah, it's the best friend. You're in these conditions right here, so I recommend you all have it. And I got it here, the local in Calgary, from a place called Kettle Inglewood, right here in downtown. I will leave the link down below. If you guys want to check it out, they have a bunch of other things for camping and hunting. Yeah. When I say in the video, title of the video, that I had in my hands one of the most powerful element in the whole entire planet, it sounds a little crazy, right? I know it does, but I'm not joking, because what I have in my hands right here is this guy right here. And I don't know if you can tell what it is by the shape of it, right? It's very crisp, it's a little spiky, and has a little bit of a very settled sulfur smell, very settled. And a lot of people could associate this with the evil thing, but it's absolutely bananas. This is a volcanic rock. A dear friend of mine brought me from Iceland, and he was right there when the whole activity started going crazy, and pops right out. Ah! Frozen, super frozen. And being out here right now in this cold weather, minus 27. I'm pretty sure with the wind chill there's around minus 30 something. Really super cold. But remember, God will only give the biggest battles to the biggest soldiers. If you come over here and then you prove you can do it, prove you can survive to this, and you make it through and you go home safe, that tells you a lot. You need to keep sharp, you need to keep strong, train your abilities, your skills, your survival skills, your hunting skills. It's very cold and very but anyways, I have this guy at home. Like I said, a dear friend of mine brought me from Iceland. It's really neat to have, when you think about it, this piece of rock or piece of something was inside our core planet for the beginning of times, and I have it here in my hands, and brings me so much energy. Believe it or not, it does bring me energy. I have it in my house. I have this dome, ice, like a glass, crystal glass, that I have, and I put in there like something that when I pray sometimes I sit in front of it. Because if you think about it, it's been here since the beginning of absolutely everything. When Jesus was around here walking and telling us, showing us the good and the bad of the planet, this guy was already there inside our planet. And I have a fraction right here in my hands, and it brings me so much peace and energy when I think everything is going bad. Believe it or not, I go through a lot of bad stuff, as you all know. On my military days, I lost my leg. And sometimes I think about it, and then when I sit in front of this guy right here and I think how big the whole thing is, there's nothing to worry about. It's on us to make it happen. It's on us to make it possible. And I love it, the fact that I have this piece of heaven or hell. It's coming from inside the earth. And whatever it is, hell or heaven, it's here, it's right here. You make a hell, you make a heaven. And then I have it in my palm of my hands. Like I said, it is, I'm not BSing you guys. It is one of the most powerful power in the whole, talk about catastrophes and hurricanes and bad seas, everything. This is one of them. When it comes, destroy, wipes out, kill absolutely everything, every living life. And I have in the palm of my hands, and the amount of energy that comes from it, it's can't really describe. So I recommend you guys, if you go to Iceland, if you have a chance to have one of these at home, do it. It's amazing. Now I'm gonna make my coffee. It's freaking cold. Come to the outdoors to make a cup of tea to -27. Yeah, and I always bring my honey. It is called the Honey Merchants. It's a local producer right here in Calgary. She has her own beekeeping business, and she makes a lot of variety of honey. Very amazing, good product. Sometimes I'm really sick, cold. I have this guy over here with tea. This one has ginger, and it's really powerful. You can taste the heat on your throat when you have the ginger one. I really love it. So I'll leave the link down below. Local producer, good friend of mine. I recommend it. I won't recommend if it's good, guys, believe me. Yeah, now I'm gonna have my tea because it's -30.